Welcome to VSA Future. This summer, give your children a competitive edge and watch them confidently excel in the September statewide tests. VSA students consistently report top statewide test scores, a testament to the support provided by our classes, especially our highly acclaimed summer vocabulary and reading comprehension program. From June 30th through August 22nd, join us virtually each Monday and Wednesday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time with our efficient schedule to maximize your child's time and energy. The first hour of class is dedicated to vocabulary, followed by our Dive into Reading book club. In the vocabulary segment, students will build their vocabulary toolbox and expand their range of words. We will delve deep into the power of language by using Greek and Latin roots as our foundation, allowing students to learn a series of related words, understand their nuances through synonyms and analogies, and practice using these words correctly by constructing their own sentences. Beyond definitions, we engage in lively discussions, connecting these new words to real-world contexts, making vocabulary truly come alive. Following our vocabulary session, the book club offers an immersive reading experience. Students will read one captivating book every 2 weeks. This isn't about just reading. It's about an active participation and leadership. Students will have the opportunity to take on leadership roles, guiding the discussion while each participant is assigned a specific role to ensure everyone contributes meaningfully to the discussion. Our program is a fantastic way to enhance reading comprehension, critical thinking, and collaborative skills. Set your child up for a summer with academic growth, confidence, and fun with VSA Future.